Hi students, all of you, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss Unit 4 Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure. And now going to the Lewis symbol. Okay? Lewis postulated on this concept to get that any atoms achieve the stable octet. Okay? The stable octet rules or stable octet exotelium when they are linked by chemical bondings. Clear? Then later the G.N. Lewis, the American chemist, is simple notations to represent valence electrons. Okay? These valence electrons, outer shell electrons, to be suggested representation of notations. Okay, what's the meaning of Lewis symbol? In the symbols of the element surrounded by dots to represent the number of valence shell electrons. Okay, this is a Lewis symbol. Lewis symbol means the symbolically of element surrounded by dots. See here, this is a sodium. We represented one outer shell electrons in a representing of dot, and chlorine 7 outer shell electrons we represent like this. This dot we called as Lewis symbols. Okay, let me go for detail. See here, so one of the example of lithium. Lithium is atomic number is 3, right? So 1s2, 2s1. Okay. So outer shell electron is only one electron is present. This is called outer shell electrons. How do you define in outer shell electron shells in a dot? So whenever 1, 2, 3, 4, maximum possibility of 4 bonding. Okay. So we represent any of the position, we represent the dot. It's called what? Either is this side or this side. Okay. So mention this is called what? Lewis symbol in a representation of like this dot wise. Okay. This dot is a valence shell electrons. How much of electrons is present? Only one valence electron. This is symbolically representation. So next we go for beryllium. Beryllium is 4. 4 means 2 electrons. 2 we represent in a dot. 1 or 2. And opposite side. Either anywhere of these two sides also. Okay. So next boron. Boron is 2s2, 2p1, right? So how much of electron? 3. 3, how did you represent? 1, this is 2, this is 3. Either like here. Anyway, of the 4 positions. So what about carbon? Carbon is 6. 6 means 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. So here the carbon, all the 4 positions we represented 1, 1 dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So next, so nitrogen. Nitrogen having, so one more, this is 2p3. Okay? 2p3 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 electrons. 5 is representing one more electrons. This is a lone pair of electrons. Okay, so next is what about next is nitrogen. Then next is oxygen. Oxygen. So 7, then 8 electrons. 8 means this is 4, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is representing like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Either you represent like this type also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To mention like this, all the portion we have to be added a single electron, then upon remaining electron. Either this type also we mention. Whatever it, the outer shell electron 6 is presenting in a dot-wise. Then fluorine. Fluorine is one more electron. This is 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1 is less. Okay. So next is neon. Neon is completely filled because of 8 electrons, stable electron configuration. All the 4 positions we have to be completed up to 2 electrons. Okay. This is the dot representation of Lewis symbols. Clear? So on the term, apart from these things, some significant are in the Lewis symbol. Okay, what are the significance? The significance are significant of Lewis symbol. Okay, this is the first significant is L2 calculate the common or group valence of the elements. Clear? Significance of Lewis symbol or representation of dot. It is L2 calculate the common single elements or group valence of the elements. The next point, number of electrons generally are either equal to the number of dots in the Lewis symbol. Okay. Now, what's the meaning of second significant? Number of electrons generally we consider equal number of dots in the Lewis symbol. So here consider as very here 3 dots. Valence electron is 3. So generally we consider number of dots is equal to the number of valence electrons. Okay, and third one, either 8 minus the number of dots or valence electrons. Okay. Third significant is 8 minus the number of dots or valence electrons. So when you consider this type of significant, 8 minus, see here the maximum bond capacity is 4. Capacity is maximum 4. So more than 4 number of dots. Okay, these remaining. Okay, left over the less than 4 electrons or dots. So consider more number. This 8 minus rule is applicable. 5 more or 5 or more electrons. This is a 5 or more electrons. That type of case we consider this type of 8 minus. Consider here the nitrogen capacity is not applicable 5 dots, but valence electron is 8 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3 bond capacities, 3 valence electrons. Remaining 2 are lone pair of electrons. For example, you consider ammonia, NH3. Okay, so N, the bond capacity is hydrogen, 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 1. Okay, this is called what? Okay, this is nitrogen, one of the electrons shared with hydrogen molecules, and nitrogen, one electron is sharing with one more electron of hydrogen, and this is also same. But remaining 2 are what we call lone pair of electrons. Like this, the ammonia is presentation. So nitrogen is so more than that. Oxygen also 8 minus 6, 2 is a bond capacity. This is 3 significance. Clear? So now going to the question, some relation to the chemical bonding. Next to questions in relation to chemical bonding formations. Some of the rules or some of the following facts were explaining. The first one, in a periodic table, I electron negative halogens. See, this is the periodic table. Just imagine this is the right side, this is a I electron negative atom because gaining of electrons. In the left side, they having losses of electron positive charges. Okay, so here the high electronegative halogens, the group, which one? 17. Okay, so and high electropositive alkali metals. Alkali metals means group 1. The group 17 and group 1 are separated by noble gas configurations. Okay, both were separated by noble gas configuration. I will say that later one given example to you. Okay. Next point, the second one, the formation of negative ion. How they are formed? Negative ions is formed in halogens only. So halogens, how they are formed? So positive, the gaining of electrons. So gain of electrons to forming of water. Negative ions. And positive ions. Positive ion, how they are formed? Losses of electrons. How they means? Loss of electrons. What are the electrons? What are the elements who are losing character? The losing character is only the alkali metals. So alkali metals, losses of electrons. So here associated, how they are associated with gain or loss an electron by the respective atoms. There ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದೇನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಗೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ H here. So H is lossing character. This is a one atom. One they can easily lose. And chlorine having gaining of character. This is chlorine is 17th group. Okay, this hydrogen is first group. So what is the meaning is, this is hydrogen is not alkali metals, but it is called as always losing character. The hydrogen always should lose the electrons. That's why this is the losses to get the what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octet rule before. This is noble gas. This is separated by noble gas configuration. Noble gas, and this is associated with the respective atoms. The respective atom is hydrogen. Respective atom chlorine. Chlorine is gaining capacity. Hydrogen is losing capacity. This is carries positive and this is carries negative ions. Clear? So next third point, negative ion and positive ions form again stable noble gas configuration. See here, this is a noble gas electronic configuration. Any example you consider? NaCl. Last time we observed NaCl is also given how much of electrons? 8 electrons. This is what? Stable electron configuration. Except helium. Helium is appear 2, so NS2. This is a 2 electron configuration. So remaining are NS2, NP6 configuration. Clear? So next point is positive and negative ions are stabilized by electronic attractions. How they are forming? See here. So one of the example you consider, the early we discussed sodium chloride. So here sodium chloride. The sodium is atomic number is 11. So electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Okay, what we call as in the noble gas configuration 10. 10 means neon, right? The sodium we write neon 3s1, right? So outer electron configuration is 1. So sodium loses the electrons. Electron loses to forming of positive ions. This is what? So forming of what? Stable electron configuration. So stable electronic configurations. So then make the sodium is stable electronic configuration. This is appear like this. Okay, loss of electrons. So Cl. Cl is what about 17? 17. How did you write? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5, 0.67. So this is, can you write neon 3s2, 3p5, right? So just observe here 3s2, 3p5, one electron is gained to completely noble gas configuration. So plus one electron is gaining to forming of what? Cl minus. This is called what? This is 6. 3p6 ion. One electron just one electron just this is noble gas configuration 18. 18 means helium argon. This is giving noble gas of argon type of configurations. Clear? This make stable. This is after losing, this is a sodium positive ion is stable. After gaining, chlorine is stable. Okay. So totally we form was Na 1 electrons, chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? See here U plus Cl minus. So just observe the sodium is giving octet rule. Yes, this sodium is too possible to forming of stable noble gas configuration. Sodium is losses or gaining. The sodium is losses 1 electron to forming of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. Either gaining of 7 electrons. So gaining of 7 electrons is easy or losing 1 electron is easy. Yes, losing 1 electron is very easy to comparing of gaining 7 electron. That's why sodium is losses the electrons. See here, chlorine. Chlorine is gaining of 1 electron easy to comparing of losses of all the 7 electrons. So that's why the chlorine is gain the electrons. Sodium is losses the electron. To forming of what? Stable electron configuration. That make what? Charges is Na plus and this is indicated Na plus. This is Cl minus like this. Clear? This is a formation of Na plus and Cl minus. Clear? So one more example you did observe here. So here CaF2. So did you calculate this will be appear Ca plus 2 and here 2F minus charge. How they are formed is Ca. Calcium is 20. 20 you write 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Then you did mention 4s2, not 3d. So here this will be called as argon. So argon and 4s2, right? So the calcium 4s2, 2 electron can easily lost it. So easily lost 2 electrons. 2 electrons is lost, carries it Ca plus. Then what about the fluorine? 9 atomic number. So electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 5, right? So 7 electrons is in the outer shell. So 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what you write? The fluorine is right helium 2s2, 2p5. So in this case of calcium and fluorine, the one fluorine is gaining one of the electron. So calcium 2 charges, fluorine 1 charges, 1 fluorine. They combine to forming of bond CaF and F. So the fluorine is gaining 1 electron to complete the octet rule. So here we complete octet rule to confirm the 1 electron to get what? Helium 2 plus 6. This is neon configuration. Then over Fa minus. That's why this is having the 2 fluorines mentions 2F minus. Clear? Okay. Next, one more important is octet rule. Okay, students, the last octet rule is very important. In the 1960, Cosell and Lewis, two scientists, established this octet rule. Statement is the tendency of atom in a molecules to have 8 electrons in their valence shell. Valence shell electrons, Ns2np6 is called octet rule. Did you observe that in the case of sharing of electrons is combined to forming of stabilized is forming these octet rules. Okay, so either this is very easy to understand. Atoms can combine either by transfer of valence electrons from one atom to the another atom. What are the purpose? One purpose is gaining of electrons, another one is losing of electrons, either sharing of electrons. In other sharing of electrons, okay, so gain or loss by sharing of valence electrons in order to have an octet in their shells. They get octet in their shells. Okay, so except helium is giving duplet Ns2. I will be said after the limitations why is giving duplex, okay, and remaining all are giving Ns2 np6 octet rule. Okay, this is about the octet rule. This is very important. Clear? Okay.